This is Louise from Mia Stanza. I'm going to show you how to use Fama's 3D simulator to create a sofa or corner group. So when you go onto Fama's simulator first page, you can choose whichever model you like. So we're going to go onto the Ariane Love model. And then you can see every single module that's available within that range that you can add together to create your own corner group or sofa. And you've even got all the footstools and tables, little diddy chairs that are part of the range that all work together. Now, what I always find easiest to do is start on the left-hand side. So as you look at the unit, I'm going to start with this left-hand arm just here. And when you go into the next page, you can see that up here, highlighted at the top, it says right. That means that everything I add now will be added to the right-hand side of each piece. So I'm going to add module A. That's just a straight module, and then just keep clicking and you can add it up, create your own design. So I think next we'll have a curved module. Let's have a module M, and then we're going to add a corner piece. Now in the Ariane range there are now 3 corners you can choose from. So you can have this square corner, the angled corner, or this curved corner, which is the one I'm going to choose now. It's a nice large curved piece, very attractive even from the back. And then on the right hand side of that corner, I think we'll have a large curved unit. So let's choose module V. And then maybe we'll finish our corner with a chaise. So we'll scroll down again, and I think I'll choose a curved chaise, this one here. Now, if you've made any mistakes or want to swap something in, it's really easy. All you have to do is click on the item you'd like to change. So I'm going to highlight this double curved piece here, go up here, and I'm going to click swap. And then whatever module I choose, it will swap in. So I'll choose this smaller curved piece instead. And there you can see the smaller curved piece has been swapped in. Now, once you've got your shape and size right, and if you want to check the size, you can do that by going up here and looking at display measures, and that will tell you the size of what you've created. So what I've created here is 329 by 335 centimeters. So that's a good size. We'll now go on to the fabrics. So go up here and choose fabrics, and if you've looked at the Fama fabric pages or the fabric pages on the Mia Stanza website, then you might know some of the names. So you can go into name and look at them in alphabetical order, or you might know them by the charts. I think we'll use the La Linea range, which is a really exciting range to use. That's this one here. So let's choose the Gorilla. He's a good one. Maybe the Cupido as well. And then I'm going to choose some nice velvets. The Venice velvets are a really nice option and work really well. So let's have Venice. Let's have a yellow Venice, a gold Venice, and maybe also maybe the black. Okay, so now then, we've got all our options. Let's choose one of our fabrics, and we can just choose to put that anywhere. So you can put it on the seat, on the back, on the cushion if you choose to, or what we could do is choose the black velvet, and we could have all our seats in black, all our back cushions in another fabric, or you can use a different fabric for each module. So let's choose the Gorilla, then a plain, then let's pick the gold colour out of the Gorilla fabric, put that on the corner, maybe another Gorilla fabric over here. Or you can just have a play around with your scatter cushions, just have your scatter cushions in a pattern. If you want the whole unit all in one fabric, just click on that fabric and go up here and click on apply all, and it will all be in that one fabric. So let's do that again. Let's put the Cupido fabric on just the back cushions. So you can play around with all the fabrics till you get it just right, but we would always say come into the shop and have a look at the fabrics in the flesh, because the simulator is a really clever tool but doesn't always do the fabrics justice, and it's good to see them in the flesh. Now when you've chosen your fabrics, you can go up here to accessories. Now you can just leave this as it is and just have it on the little 3cm feet, or you can choose to click on these balloons here and add legs. So let's add some metal chrome legs. So you can add these legs like that. If you really want to, you could add a different set of legs to each one. That would be unusual. So lots of options there. You can swap and change your fabrics, swap and change your modules, and just get what is exactly right for you. But if you need any help, just let us know and we can always do the simulations for you. So there's our very own Ariane Love, which you can turn around, check out from the back, the front. It's very much your own design.